In this video, I'm going to show you how you can clear your browsing history on Arc Search browser. If this video helps, please like and subscribe. To clear your browsing history, first open your Arc Search browser, and once you're done, then head over to the settings gear. If you have several tabs and you can't find the settings gear, you should see your tabs here. Tap on them to reveal the settings gear. From settings, if you tap on it, now scroll down, and under storage, you can see we have clear browsing data. So to clear them, just tap on clear here. And here you have an option to choose what you want to clear. Here you can clear browsing history, you can clear cache, as well as cookies and data site. To clear browsing data, now tap on clear browsing data down below, and the data has been cleared. So that's how you can clear browsing data on your Arc Search browser. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.